What are my appeal rights if I disagree with my RFC? Have you recently received a residual functional capacity assessment related to your Social Security disability insurance and found yourself disagreeing with it? You are not alone, and understanding your appeal rights is essential. Let's break down the steps you can take if you feel your assessment does not accurately reflect your abilities. First, if you disagree with your residual functional capacity assessment, you can request a reconsideration. This is your first level of appeal. You must do this within 60 days of getting the notice of the initial denial. During this process, a different team at the Disability Determination Services will review your entire case. They will look at any new medical evidence you provide. This review is separate from the original decision makers, ensuring a fresh perspective on your situation. If your claim is denied again after reconsideration, your next step is to request a hearing before an administrative law judge. This stage is often the most important because you can present your case in person. You can submit new evidence and even have witnesses testify on your behalf. The Office of Hearings Operations will schedule this hearing, which can take about a year unless you ask for an expedited hearing due to urgent needs. While you do not need to have an attorney, having one can improve your chances of a favorable outcome. If the administrative law judge denies your claim, you can then request a review by the Social Security Appeals Council. This request must be made within 60 days of the judge's decision. The Appeals Council typically does not re-examine the facts of your case but looks for legal or procedural errors in the judge's decision. They can also consider new evidence that relates to the time before the judge's decision. The council has several options. They may deny your request, decide the case themselves, or send it back to the administrative law judge for further review. Finally, if the Appeals Council denies your review or upholds the denial, your last option is to file a civil lawsuit in a United States federal district court. You must do this within 60 days. This step involves legal proceedings to challenge the Social Security Administration's decision. Because this process can be complex, it is advisable to have legal representation. Understanding these appeal rights is important, especially when it comes to retirement planning. Your ability to secure Social Security disability insurance benefits can impact your financial security before you reach full retirement age. If your residual functional capacity is underestimated, it could delay or deny benefits that you need until you qualify for retirement benefits. Therefore, acting promptly and thoroughly on your appeals can protect your financial interests during this transition period.